Hey guys, now the hardest part is getting the chain over the sprocket and getting the sprocket on top of the camshaft. So, believe it or not, bolt your tensioner guide in first. Okay, that way that'll snug it up to the inside of the engine. By pressing this down, that will relieve tension off you there, and that'll give you a little bit more slack in the chain. Now, you can use a screwdriver, or you can use one of the picks I have. It's like you can use one of these. That'll help pry underneath the chain, and then you pry it on top of the sprocket. Now, what you can do is by pressing down on that, you put your screwdriver underneath there, and you pry the sprocket up on top of your camshaft lobe. Remember, make sure that little prong is facing 12 o'clock. Your camshaft should look like that. Put some light on it in case you can't see. That little Pac-Man mouse should be facing to your left. See how you have a line there east, a line there west. That's what it should look like. That allows your number one piston to be on the compression. We'll line that up a little bit more, and we'll put our bolts in. We'll rotate the engine and put the bottom bolt in. And it's actually easy once you learn how to press this down. You can use that. That'll release tension, and that will give you just a little bit of slack. And then, like I said, to get your sprocket on top of your cam, you slide a flat screwdriver underneath there, and you pry it up. Maybe use two of them. You can use two of them, and then you can just tap that in a little bit with a hammer once you get on top of the lobe.